Some people say, well, I eat vinegar and I have no apparent brain damage because it's supposed to be a neurotoxin. Well, I guess to really see the damage and to have damage that was obvious, you would have to drink probably a couple of litres of it a day. Personally, I prefer to use lemon. Is vinegar good for you? Well, vinegar is one stage before alcohol. And Dr. Robert Young has recently done a very good presentation on vinegar. And he shows that vinegar is acetaldehyde. And acetaldehyde is a neurotoxin. And there are 5 ways we can be exposed to acetaldehyde. One is vinegar. Another is drinking alcohol. Another is when a person has a yeast presence in their body and they're eating a lot of sugar, even a lot of fruit. Then as the yeast feeds on the sugar in the fruit, it gives off acetic acid, lactic acid, uric acid, and alcohol. And that alcohol breaks down to acetaldehyde. The 4th place that you can be exposed to vinegar will be in car fumes. The 5th place is cigarette smoke. So I don't advocate using vinegar. Some people say, well, I eat vinegar and I have no apparent brain damage because it's supposed to be a neurotoxin. Well, I guess to really see the damage and to have damage that was obvious, you would have to drink probably a couple of litres of it a day. And so most people that take vinegar only take it in small amounts. Personally, I prefer to use lemon. We serve some very nice dressings at Misty Mountain Health Retreat, also at the retreats here in the US. And we always use lemon. Lemon gives a lovely flavour. Lemon is a tonic to the liver. The lemon is an internal alkalizer. But not only that, the lemon is acid where it should be, which is in your stomach. So the lemon is also a digestive aid. But when it breaks down in the gastrointestinal tract and the minerals are released, those minerals are alkaline minerals, so it alkalizes the tissues. The alkaline minerals are sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. So the humble lemon is acid where it should be and alkaline where it should be. There is a place that we do use vinegar. We use the white vinegar for cleaning. Bleach will kill mold, but it will feed fungus, whereas vinegar will kill mold and will kill fungus. So vinegar is an excellent cleaner. Some people have said to me, but it doesn't leave a nice scent in your bathroom. Well, after you've cleaned it with the vinegar, then you can wipe your bathroom down with some essential oils like lavender, or eucalyptus, or we have one in Australia called lemon myrtle essential oil. That gives a lovely, slightly lemony odour. There is another place on the body that you can use vinegar, and that is for tinea or athlete's foot. Soaking the toes in a little bowl of tinea or athlete's foot can help to resolve that problem. It can also help to resolve fungal toenails. With fungal toenails, soak the toes in the vinegar, and then after maybe a 10-minute soak, then you can put a drop of the essential oils on the toenail that are known to be strong fungal killers, and that would be oregano oil, or thyme oil, or tea tree oil. One drop will usually do a few toenails.